Alright guys, so I posted a video last week explaining how I use Chat GPT to learn a new language, but it turns out that there is an easier and more fun way to learn a new language. Thanks to you guys and the comment section, I was able to discover this app called Duolingo. Most of you must have heard about this app. I downloaded the app from Google Play Store and continued my Spanish learning journey. I did a screen record of me using the app. Let's dive right into it.
Alright, so this is the first time on the Duolingo app. So I've never used this app before. Okay, so get started. Hi there, I'm Duo. Continue. Okay, let's see what you've got. Continue. What would you like to learn? Alright, I want to learn Spanish. Spanish, continue. Get ready to join 10 million people. Okay, how did you hear about Duolingo? Okay, I heard about Duolingo on social media. I think I heard about it from Facebook. Yeah, somebody made mention of Duolingo on Facebook and also on Instagram. So that was how I learned about it. So, okay, how much Spanish do you know? Alright, I'm new to Spanish. I know some words. Yeah, I think I know some words and phrases. Alright, let's just go with I'm new to Spanish. Alright, continue. Okay, we'll start fresh. Where are you learning Spanish? Prepare for travel, just for fun, spend time productively, connect with people, boost my career, support my education. Alright, I think I'm just going to go with just for fun and to spend time productively. Alright, those are all great reasons to learn. Okay, so here is what we can achieve. Converse with confidence, blah blah blah. Continue. What's your daily learning goal? Okay, we can do say 10 minutes per day. We can actually do 15 minutes per day. Let's go 15 minutes per day. Continue. That's 75 words in your first week. Continue. Learning Spanish for the first time. Start from scratch. Already know some Spanish. Answer some questions to find your level. Start from scratch, buddy. Continue. It can be hard to stay motivated. Continue. So Duolingo is designed to be fun like a game. Continue. Alright, let's get started, Duolingo. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm learning this Spanish language, right? With this app, Duolingo. And my first word I'm learning on this app is El Nino. This is a new word. Tap to learn what it means. So let's see what El Nino means.
El niño.
El Nino.
El niño.
El Nino.
El niño.
El Nino. El Nino. Let me see. The boy, the woman, the man. I think I'm going to go with El Nino. I'm thinking woman or girl. Woman or girl, woman or girl. Which should it be? Which should it be? Which should it be? Alright, let's go with girl. I'm thinking woman. I'm thinking. Let's just go with one. Let's just go with one. El Nino. I'll go with girl. Oh, come on.
El hombre.
Boy. El hombre. El hombre.
El hombre.
El hombre. So El Nino means a boy. El hombre. El hombre. El hombre. El hombre. I'll go with woman still. Come on. El hombre.
El niño.
El Nino means a boy. Okay. El Nino, boy. Okay, the boy. Come on. Right.
La mujer.
La mujer.
La mujer. La mujer.
La mujer.
La mujer.
La mujer.
La mujer.
Okay, la mujer. I'll go with woman. Girl. Correct. I got something correct for the first time. Nice. Continue.
El hombre.
El hombre. Okay, el hombre should be the man. Yay! El hombre, I got that right.
La niña.
La niña. So la niña should be the girl. Great job. Correct.
La niña.
La niña. The girl. Nice.
El niño. La niña.
El niño, la niña. Tap what you hear.
El niño. La niña.
El niño,
Niño.
la.
La niña.
El niño, la niña. Very, very nice. I think I'm actually loving learning language on this app. It's so awesome, right? So awesome. Very fun too, just like a game. El niño, la niña. That's 5 in a row. Continue.
La mujer.
La mujer. La mujer should be the woman. Correct. Nice.
Una niña.
Una niña. Una niña should be. Oh no. Should be the girl. Okay, una niña should be the. Come on. El niño, boy. Okay, that should be the girl. Okay, a girl. Alright, una niña, una. Complete this sentence. Okay. So what do we do here? La niña. Una niña, una. Alright, so how do I complete this sentence? Come on. How do I complete this sentence? Una niña, una. Woman and girl.
La.
How do I complete this sentence? Come on.
La. El. La. El.
Is that correct? Ish.
Un hombre.
Un hombre should be a man. Correct?
Yo soy un niño.
Yo soy un niño. A niño is a boy. So you say, I am a boy. Correct. Nice one. Yo soy un niño. I am a boy. Nice. Yo soy una mujer. So I think I am a woman. Guess so.
Mujer.
Yeah, I got that right. I am a woman. Nice.
Yo soy un hombre.
Yo soy un hombre. Nombre is a man. So we say
Yo soy un hombre.
okay, we're going to tap what we hear. So you say yo soy
hombre.
hombre. No.
Hombre. Un hombre.
I am a man. Yo soy un hombre. Nice. So I think I actually enjoyed learning language using this app. Quite impressive, I must say. So this Duolingo app is awesome, right? Very, very awesome. So guys, if you want to learn a new language, you can always use the Duo app. It's very awesome, very interesting to learn a new language on, like you have seen. Just decided to share my experience learning this app with you guys, so you guys can go on Google Play Store and download the Duolingo app. It's very, very interesting to learn a language with. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like the video, and you can always share this video with your friends that want to learn a new language. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.